Since we're going to be spending a lot of time using C# Express to build our applications, we should probably take a few moments and get familiar with the IDE and see how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the C# 2010 Express. And you'll see that when the application comes up, it's a very simple UI. There's the start page right here on the left-hand side. And then over here, there's something called the Solution Explorer. A couple things you need to know about C# right up front. C# Express organizes everything into projects. Projects are what applications are made from. And you might sometimes hear the word project interspersed or interchanged with the word solution. That's not completely true. Solutions are basically top-level projects that can contain other projects. And when we build a project, it'll appear in the Solution Explorer here on the right-hand side of the screen. So let's go ahead and create a new project. And we can do that one of two ways. We can click on the New Project link here in the Start page, or we can go up to the File menu and choose New Project. So I'm going to choose New Project. And the New Project dialog launches, and we can choose what kind of project we want to build. Throughout this course, we'll be working with console applications because it gets the user interface out of the way and just lets us concentrate on the language. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the console application to select it if it's not already done so. You should do the same thing. Down here in the bottom of the dialog, there's a place where we can enter the name of the project. And I'll just type in something. I'll just call it My Project. And I'm going to click the OK button. This is going to create the project for us. All right, now that we have the project built, let's take a look at C# Express and see what's going on here in the UI. So over here in the Solution Explorer, you'll notice that the window has been filled out with some information, and we will get back to that in just a moment. The project code is over here open in the editor. And the new project isn't actually saved yet. It is fully functional. You can go ahead and run it, you can edit it, you can do all kinds of things, but it's sitting out in temporary space right now. If we wanted to actually put all this work onto disk, we would go to the File menu, and we would choose Save My Project or Save All. And when I choose Save All, you'll see that I get a dialog that says, hey, here's the name, here's where it's going to be saved, here's what the solution name is. I have the option to create a directory for the solution. And at this point, I can choose to name it something else if I don't like the name that I originally came up with. And I'm just going to go ahead and choose Save. That will put the project on disk for me in the Documents folder or whatever path I selected in the Save dialog. Let's go ahead and take a look at the project files over here in the Solution Explorer. You'll see that underneath the top-level My Project heading, there's a couple of folders. There's the Properties folder and References. Let's go ahead and expand those. Underneath Properties, there's a file called assemblyinfo.cs.